National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jackson County, Illinois, western Franklin County, and south central Illinois until 1:15 p.m. At 12:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Royalton, or near Christopher, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benton, Christopher, Royalton, Elkville, Valier, West City, North City, and Buckner. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois near mile marker 70. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin and Jackson,